So guys, today we're going to be showing you this toolkit here. This one is really good because you can go through, like my bike, I can go through that. So guys, let's kind of open it up. Kind of weird because it's got screws on it, I don't know why. I'm going to take these screws out and I'll be right back. So guys, I got them all done. You probably seen a time lapse of that. But I'm kind of glad they did do that because then, honestly, all these bits won't fall out. So let's take the cover off here. So that's that beautiful thing. Okay, this is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the glory of it, but I love it. Okay. So it's got a extension adapter. Okay. I don't know why that'd be placed right there, but okay. This, which is the thing that's supposed to go through. We'll try this later if it does work. Well, wouldn't be losing the bits. That'd be great. Instead of having a thing, just plug it into there like that. Have an open back. If you don't bottom out your sockets, I really kind of like that. Switches. So I can basically top bottoming out, and how you get it out, you just push it like that. Then you can push out like with your finger. That is cool. I really like that. That was a 19. So these are the sizes. This one comes with. It comes with a 7/16, a 3/4, a 3/8, 11/16, a 5/16, a 5/8, a 9/16, and a 1/2, and a extension adapter, and a I forgot what they call these, but they're and an adapter to like change your way you use them, so you can use bits with a normal wrench deal. Forgot what it's called. I'm pretty bad. Okay, then we got a 19, a 14. These are metric. The other ones were SAEs. 19, 14, 18, 13, a 17, a 12, 16, 11, a 15, and a 12. A 10. There we go. So guys, there will be more on this tool later when I test it, but if you want to see more mechanic videos, just say that and I may change my videos up to mechanic, because that's what I like. Some people like hunting, I like mechanics. Sorry. So guys, here is a flaw. This right here fits right over it, but doesn't go down into it because it's not quite big enough. So it may not go through everything you need. But if you go up one size again, that's from a 16 metric 16 to a 17. Oh, it still don't go through that. That's kind of a flaw, but there's still holes through them, so they go through some things. But the idea of it going through don't work as well, but the actual ease of use is pretty dang good. So you have the first bit, you can just go put it over and just drop. Now, thing is, a bolt's gonna probably be a normal size bolt around it. It's not like that's going to be an unusual bolt, but like it'd have to get really tight, and it does go down all the way. I just have a little thing there to stop it so it won't go all the way down. And this bar is like a wheel here. I made a little rat rod out of a tub that I took apart. I still have parts from that, but yeah. So it does go through with reasonable length, but if you have a very, very skinny bolt, it may not go all the way through. That may be an issue. But guys, yeah, let's do the outside test. So guys, this is the toolkit. We've got we'll go with this random one. Okay. That one is not like that. We'll go 16. Will probably be a little bit. Yeah, so it's 16, which would put this probably in the 9/16 part. We'll try now. A little bit too small. Sorry about this. I'm really bad. Like, oh shit. Sorry for the profanity. Try 5/8. I don't. Yep, that is a good fit. So guys, how this should work is you got there. You just snap it on like that. Put it the way you need it. Okay. That's being a pain, okay. Oh, come on. Okay, very touchy. Okay, yeah. So it works pretty good. Put this thing back on. Alright. I'm not very good at holding a camera. Okay. Trying to hand tighten it up to that, and now. Sorry guys for the sound. There's a bunch of birds migrating in the background. Yeah, the baby will give you a lot of torque, and you pop out at the end. Actually, I think it's a really nice, easy kit I can use out here, so that's what I'll use, guys. So I do recommend it. Depending on the shaft you're using, let me try and get a good picture of these geese migrating here. So guys, look at all those geese. Come on, camera, get back in focus. There we go, they're just flying by. Ton of them. There's a parade of birds migrating. Wow. Guys, don't forget to comment if you guys would like to see some mechanic videos. Is what I'm going to call it, is a mechanic. There'll be things like me fixing bike chains. Not very much of that, probably. Me fixing my four-wheeler. Call that because it breaks down a lot. But, and, you know, some small engines like weed eaters and farm equipment around here. Around my farm. So, yeah. And tillers and things like that. That, you know, people bring to me to fix. So, if you want to see those, I'll do them. I mean, it's all hands on deck, in my opinion. So, you know, other than it's kind of winter, and I hate fixing things out in the shed during winter. But if you guys want to see it, I'll do it because I enjoy it. So, guys, outro now. Hey guys, so that's it. Boss, you guys, my cousin, remember, peace.